Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing top 10 romantic movies with tragic endings.
Dear
Message in a Bottle. The Nicholas Sparks classic is deeply moving and ends with a shocking tragedy instead of a happy forever after. The story is as much about the relationship between Garrett and Theresa as it is about Garrett and his late wife. Imagine being sent love letters after one died. Sappy as that sounds, this is exactly what Garrett did after his wife passed away, and he failed to come to terms with it for a very long time. When he finally let himself move on, he decided to bid his dead wife goodbye, sending her one last letter. Only this time, on the eve of getting together officially with Theresa, he was unable to make it back in time and drowned tragically during a storm in the sea.
Wish it was addressed to Dear Teresa.
it's brave to love like that in this world. I think
Like you're reading my mind.
Great, maybe you could read mine.
A Walk to Remember. Another Nicholas Sparks romance. This movie was an adaptation of his novel of the same name. Jamie and Landon are both in high school, and although he dismisses the idea of ever being in love with her at first, the two soon fall desperately in love. However, as is typical of a Spark novel, the lovers get thrown a major curveball as Jamie informs Landon that she is leukemia patient. Jamie and Landon get married in a hurry, and the two get to spend a little bit of time together before Jamie passes away. The film remains a sweet high school romance that ends in heart-wrenching tragedy.
Experience the lives of two people for
One Day. A romance that appears light for the most part takes a shocking turn when Emma is killed tragically in a road accident, hit by a rock truck. The incident happens right after she finally hooks up with Dexter after years of each of them going their own way. Although the chemistry between them is obvious from the start, the shocking ending leaves one question: the sheer randomness on life and death. Emma's death naturally leaves Dexter devastated, and it makes one wonder if fate would have played the same cruel game had they got together before.
I'm not taking any chances with our friendship.
The king of car crash television.
Joe the King.
It's like a dream.
So what do you do, Noah?
The Notebook. Nicholas Sparks novels are known for being tear-jerking. The Ryan Gosling-Rachel McAdams star has made its place as one of the most intense romances in the last 2 decades. For those who don't know the story, Noah and Allie had one beautiful summer together before class and social status pulled them apart. They finally united after several years, but in one shocking discovery, the audience realizes that the older Ellie is now suffering from Alzheimer's and cannot even recognize the man she loved so deeply. In the very last scene, the elderly couple is seen lying side by side, dead. Although the ending implies a certain sense of hope, there is something emotionally wrought about the two dying together.
Normal not to forget your first love, but I want you for myself.
Damn, my head's slipping.
Okay, fine.
Titanic. The film that catapulted Leonardo DiCaprio and Kate Winslet to stardom, Titanic made quite the sensation and became one of the biggest blockbusters in film history. The love story of Rose and Jack is one for the ages. The film ends with heartbreaking tragedy when not only does the so-called unsinkable ship go down with almost all the menfolk, but the young couple was brutally torn apart when Jack died from the freezing cold of the North Atlantic waters, leaving Rose heartbroken and alone.
You spoke in the past 2 weeks.
Brokeback Mountain. One of the most moving romantic dramas ever, Brokeback Mountain told the tale of two men in the 1960s whose feelings for each other are ignited during one passionate stolen summer. Both Anis and Jack go on to marry women and have their own families, although they continue to meet clandestinely from time to time, never publicly coming out with their true sexuality from fear of being killed or ostracized. Heath Ledger and Jake Gyllenhaal delivered power-packed performances in this Ang Lee classic that ends with a gnawing heartache as the couple fails to get together and finally Jack dies, leaving Anis alone with their secret.
World about how to tell sad stories.
The Fault in Our Stars. The Fault in Our Stars gets an underlining sense of tragedy from the beginning when young Hazel tells the audience about her life as a terminal cancer patient. She then meets the cheerful guy who is now on remission, with whom she experiences love and the kind of attachment she had given upon. However, the full extent of the tragedy unravels when Gus replaces and succumbs to his sickness before the two had barely spent enough time together. Based on John Green's novel, the first became an instant hit, especially among youngster audiences.
I've been in remission for about 1.5 years.
Maybe you'd like to.
Hazel.
What's your full name?
Hazel Grace Lang.
Atonement. Joe Wright's intense romantic period drama is based on the unfulfilled love of Robbie and Cecilia, who failed to ever unite because of a lie told by Cecilia's younger sister. Robbie then goes off to war and dies from sickness while Cecilia is killed in bombing incident. For some time, the viewer is led to believe that maybe Brownie's lie had not destroyed everything. But then, the older Brownie reveals the tragedy that really befell the lovers, leaving the audience with a desperate heartache.
I know it was him.
You know it.
Which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.